sir. This is my 15 definition of terms. First is reducing recidivism, preventing offenders from returning to crime. 2. Restoring offenders to society, equipping them with values, knowledge, and skills. 3. Protecting the community, addressing the risks and needs of offender to ensure public safety. 4. Promoting restorative justice, encouraging offenders to repair the harm they cause to victims and society. Number 5. Rehabilitation model. Offenders coming and due to deficiencies that can be corrected. 6. Medical model. Views crime as a that require treatment through counseling, therapy, and education. So, number 7. Social learning theory suggests that behavior is learned from the environment. Those positive reinforcement and role models can promote change. Number 8. Responsivity model, widely applied in correction. This model focuses on rest principles, need principles, and responsibility principles. Number 9. Educational program, basic literacy and continuing education opportunities, vocational training in trades such as corporation, welding, training trades such as corporation, welding, tailoring, or computer literacy.